Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. BMW has been actively testing the i7 for the last few months, and it seems that a full debut is finally coming very soon. In a new and very lengthy press release, 353 pages, detailing the company's financial results for 2021, there's a very short but official confirmation that the electric sedan will debut in April this year. No exact date is provided, though we now know the premiere will be global, at locations in New York, Munich, and Beijing. Here's the official announcement by BMW. All of us at BMW are looking forward to the market launch of the new BMW 7 Series this year. Progressive, digital, and innovative, it is also the only luxury sedan to offer customers a choice of drivetrain variants. By the way, the most powerful variant, the BMW i7, is fully electric. In April we will present it in New York, Munich, and Beijing, representing the major regions of the world. A few new teaser images confirm the front-end design of the i7 will be very similar to the BMW X with two very large kidney grills. In a video presentation, BMW promises the electric sedan offers the best driving experience in the segment. For those not interested in spending time behind the wheel, the Bavarian company says the i7 will come equipped with Level 3 autonomous driving hardware. In terms of range at a single charge, the automaker estimates the i7 will have offer up to 305 miles of EPA electric range, 580 to 610 kilometers according to WLTP. However, these are not certified numbers but forecasts based on the vehicle's development status to date. BMW is currently conducting final tests of the first ever i7, and we are just a few weeks away from its full unofficial debut. BMW's financial results presentation also confirms the X1 is coming later this year to further expand the company's BEV model range. As a side note, BMW delivered a total of 103,854 fully electric vehicles globally last year, up 133.2% compared to 2020.